Hey guys, Super Skatey here, and today we're gonna... Wait a minute. What's the script for today? Wait, where's my script at? Anyway, I don't think I got it on me, but I do remember what today's video is supposed to be. Anyway, as y'all probably saw from the title, today we're gonna be singing, wait, what's the song called again? Hold on. Okie dokie, I found my script, but for some reason I teleported. Anyway, today we're going to be singing Nice to Meet You by Myles Smith. Well, without further ado, let's get started. Lonely in this crowd, I sit alone. Oh, one more street away from heading home. Oh, gaga go Vicky, gaga go Vicky, gigi ga, gaga go. And she caught my eye through the night. Gaga go Vicky, gaga. She said, oh hi, nice to meet you. Tonight maybe we could go dance, get off of our feet. Gaga gaga gaga. One song here together, then let's play on the street. We can dance all night. She took my hand and led me through the dark. Oh, she said, feel that we forget that broken heart. I can feel the night slipping by. Gaga gaga gaga. And she caught my eye through the night. Then she came right up to me. She said, oh hi, nice to meet you. Gaga, gaga. Go dance, get off of our feet. She said this life is forever. Gaga, gaga. Then let's play it on repeat. We can dance all night.